Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to set up your D-Link AC 1200 gigabit router. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll have your internet up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, unbox your D-Link AC 1200 gigabit router. Inside, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a user manual. Make sure all components are present before proceeding. Next, connect the power adapter to your router and plug it into a power outlet. Then, take the provided Ethernet cable and connect one end to the WAN port on the router and the other end to your modem. Turn on the router by pressing the power button, and wait for the LED indicators to stabilize. Once the router is powered on, it will broadcast a default Wi-Fi network. Use your smartphone, tablet, or computer to connect to this network. The default network name, SSID, and password are usually found on a sticker on the bottom of the router. After connecting to the Wi-Fi network, open a web browser and type the router's default IP address into the address bar. For D-Link routers, this is typical 192.168.1.1. Press Enter to access the router's web interface. Once you're on the router's setup page, you'll be prompted to log in. The default username is usually admin, and the password may be admin as well or left blank. Follow the on-screen setup wizard to configure your Wi-Fi network. To ensure your router is running smoothly, it's a good idea to check for firmware updates. Navigate to the firmware section of the router's web interface and follow the instructions to update if necessary. Now that your router is set up, you can start connecting your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password you created. Enjoy fast and reliable internet across all your devices. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our expert team is ready to help. You can reach out to them at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it. You've successfully set up your D-Link AC 1200 gigabit router. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.